So what is TRAEFIK? TRAEFIK is an open source application proxy that takes traffic coming from either external or internal to the proxy. It applies security, traffic management capability, and passes it to upstream services. This can be any types of upstreams. In our video, we take a look at Kubernetes services. The proxy also has a lot of features, integration, and extensions with observability like OpenTelemetry as well. In my video on the introduction to Gateway API, we create a local Kubernetes cluster, we apply the Gateway API CRD, we deploy some example applications, and we have a domain and TLS certificate ready. We then install a TRAEFIK gateway class that defines the implementation of the gateway controller we'll be using, as well as a TRAEFIK gateway. Our TRAEFIK gateway defines how we allow traffic to come into our cluster using listeners. So we have HTTP and HTTPS pointing to a TLS certificate. TRAEFIK is really easy to install using Helm. So we simply use the Helm commands to add the repo, and then we use Helm install to install TRAEFIK to our cluster. TRAEFIK is a very simple gateway API and ingress controller. It's all built into one binary, so it can run as a single pod. It supports all of the stable gateway API traffic routing features. So in my video on traffic, we take a look at routing by hostname, routing by path, routing using URL rewrite, header modification, HTTP, and TLS. The power of the TRAEFIK proxy lies in its middleware capability. Middlewares are like custom plugins, but they're small, very easy to configure, and simplistic. You can take a middleware and plug it into a gateway API HTTP route, or you can use it in an ingress, so it's portable between the two. So if you're already using TRAEFIK and you have a bunch of middlewares and you're using the ingress feature and you want to move to Gateway API, you can do so with ease. The website has a bunch of HTTP middlewares in a catalog, adding prefix, basic auth, circuit breakers, compression, forward authentication like OAuth, IP whitelisting, rate limiting, path replacement, automatic retries, and more. Under Observe, you'll see that TRAEFIK also supports observability, so things like logs and access logs, metrics and tracing with OpenTelemetry and Prometheus support. I find TRAEFIK is extremely simple, very modular, everything is plug and play, and the middleware capability makes TRAEFIK fully functional with a lot of features. You don't need a control plane, you don't need a service mesh, and it doesn't make any changes to the Kubernetes underlying network plugins. It compiles as a single static binary, runs as one pod. So that is very attractive to me. If you want to see the full video on TRAEFIK, check the link down below.